I'm Emma.
And I'm Harry. We're really happy to have you here today.
Yes, because today's topic is something super useful for everyone. How to ask for directions in English.
That's right. If you travel, go to a new place, or even walk around your city, sometimes you get lost.
Oh yes, we've all been there. Even people who live in the same city sometimes forget where things are.
You're so right, Emma. Actually, that reminds me, I got lost last week.
Again? Harry, what happened this time?
I was trying to go to Central Park. I thought I knew the way, but after 10 minutes, everything started to look the same.
Let me guess, you refused to check Google Maps.
Hey, I was trying to practice real communication.
Okay, fair enough. So what did you do?
At first, I panicked a little. I walked faster, hoping I'd magically find the park.
Oh no, Harry, that never works.
I know. I finally stopped and said to myself, "Okay, Harry, calm down. Just ask someone."
Good choice. So who did you ask?
There was a kind-looking lady near a bakery. I walked up to her and said, "Excuse me, can you please tell me the way to Central Park?"
That's such a good sentence. Short, polite, and easy to say.
Yes, and she smiled and said, "Of course. Go straight for 5 minutes, then turn left after the bakery."
Wait, you said bakery. I bet you didn't go straight after that.
You know me too well. I smelled fresh donuts, and yes, I bought one.
I knew it. You always find food somehow.
But hey, I still found the park. I followed her directions exactly.
That's awesome. See, when you ask politely, people are happy to help.
Yes, and I realized something that day.
What did you realize?
I realized that asking for directions isn't just about finding a place. It's also about connecting with people.
That's beautiful, Harry, and it's so true. A simple "excuse me" can start a friendly conversation.
Exactly. Before that, I was shy. I used to think, what if they don't understand my English?
Many people feel like that, Harry, but actually, most people understand basic English, and even if they don't, they'll still try to help.
Right. And I think that's what makes learning a language special. People want to connect, not just correct you.
So true. And asking for directions is a great way to practice speaking English in real life.
Yes. Okay, let's teach our listeners some useful phrases they can use.
Great idea. So, friends, listen carefully. Here are a few easy sentences. Excuse me, can you tell me where the library is? Or, excuse me, how do I get to the train station? Or, could you please tell me the way to the hospital? Or, is this the right way to the market?
And if someone gives you directions, you can reply, "Thank you so much." Or, "Thanks a lot for your help." Or, "That's very kind of you." Or even just a warm smile with, "Thank you."
Yes, being polite is always important. It makes a big difference.
And don't forget to use your hands or body language if you can't explain clearly.
Yes, gestures help a lot. Pointing, smiling, nodding, they all show respect and understanding.
I remember once I asked a man in another city, and he didn't speak English, but he drew a small map on paper for me.
Really? That's so kind.
Yes, I'll never forget that. He didn't say many words, but his actions were full of kindness.
That's such a sweet story. It reminds me that language is not only about words, it's about heart.
Exactly. Okay, Emma, let's make this fun. How about a short role play for our listeners?
Oh, I love role play. Okay, I'll be the person asking, and you'll be the local giving directions.
All right, clearing my throat, pretending to be serious. Ready. Go ahead.
Excuse me, could you please tell me how to get to the museum?
Of course. Go straight, then take the second right. The museum is next to the big fountain.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
That was great. See, friends, it's that easy.
Yes, but now it's my turn. Let's switch.
All right, let's go.
Okay, excuse me. Can you tell me how to get to the bus stop?
Yes. Go straight until you see the red building, then turn left. The bus stop is right there.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
This is fun, and it's really easy to practice with a friend.
Exactly. You can practice with your classmates, family, or even by yourself in front of a mirror.
And friends, if you're shy, don't worry. Everyone makes mistakes. It's part of learning.
That's right. The only mistake is not trying.
You know, after I asked that lady for directions, I felt proud. Even though I was nervous, I spoke English.
That's the moment you grow, when you do something you were scared to do before.
True. And maybe that's the message of today's lesson. Don't be afraid to ask for help.
Yes, asking for directions is not just about finding a place, it's about learning confidence, kindness, and communication.
Wow, that sounds deep, Emma.
Well, sometimes learning English can teach us about life, too.
So, next time you get lost, remember, it's just another way to learn something new.
Or to find another bakery if you're hairy.
Hey, that's true, but it's a sweet way to learn.
All right, friends. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.